Hi, we're now here in Elyu, the surfing capital of the North. Mababasa na ako! Sorry!
Hindi mo tayo isa. Ayun, sir.
Sir, galunggong hipon na lalaki.
Paripon po.
Hi, good morning. We are now here at Silungan here in La Union. This is our room! Embarcada room! Ray, magandang bilhin to. No, diba? Parang hindi siya.
Habang gumagana yung drone, mag-surfing ka, ang kuya mo.
Sino? Si ano?
Mag-surfing kami, like, this is the best weather for
Yeah, it's
swimming.
over. Anong tawag dito sa weather na to?
Gloomy. Ito suot ko. Kasi kahapon, kagabi, naghanap ako ng salamin doon.
Uy, ang ganda ng tubig. Ang laki-laki ng waves, so.
Parang natatakot na ako.
O, di ka na.
Parang nakatakot yung waves.
medyo masyadong mapuputi yung mga sunblock. Para tayo may kasama mga geisha dito. Hi guys, welcome to Japan. Kasama kayo mga geisha.
Geisha number 1.
Geisha number 1. Ayun, may mga naliligo. Uy, malakas yung tubig. Umaabot dito sa taas. Guys. This is Halo-Halo de Iloco. Sabi nila masarap daw dito. Tingnan natin kung totoo. me again. And I haven't been talking to you for quite a while because we're having so much fun here in La Union. And today is our last day. We are going home maybe after lunch today. Maaga ako nagpunta sa beach, as you can see sa video. So I took a couple of shots para maarawan tayo. Today is supposed to be raining, but it's surprisingly, beautiful outside. The waves are not too intense. Kaya masaya siya. So today, ang agenda lang is to relax. Ryan went to the beach. Dito lang walking distance to take surf lessons. So we'll go there in a little bit. So we are now going to the beach. And I have a little bit of trivia for you. Today is June 7 and it's my birthday. And hindi alam ng mga kasama ko. So hopefully, I can keep it up na hindi nila alam. Pero now, I'm going back to the waters. Madala tayong Milo. Lapit lang naman kasi. So dito na ako dito na ako iinom ng aking warm drink for the morning. Saan sila? Hi Ryan, meron tayong bisita. Are you surfing today, Ryan? Teka lang. Are you surfing?
Hindi eh.
Bakit?
Natatakot ako dun sa wave.
Natakot ka? Okay. Guys, magsa-surfing sana kami, kaya lang kulang. Ako magsa-surf dapat ako. Kaya lang kulang ng board.
Ayun, meron pa ako isa.
Kailangan ko kasi dalawa. Ang laki ko eh, di ba? Pinat-shame yung sarili. Guys, ako na magpa-fat shame sa sarili ko. Kailangan ko ng dalawang surfboard. So today, we're having our coffee lang. Actually, Milo pala. We're having our hot drink, yung ating Milo. And we are watching the waves dito. Today, particularly medyo okay yung waves nila kasi kahapon talagang ang lakas. Today, medyo chill lang siya. And I think it's a perfect amount to learn surfing. Pero kasi parang hindi ko kaya kasi syempre medyo may edad na tayo. Ang gusto kong i-take is bodyboarding. Yun yung gusto kong i-take para at least nakadapa ka lang. And eventually we'll get there. But for now, I'll enjoy the scenery muna. Nakikita nyo na ba ako? Ang taas ng araw. So this is an example of what the waves are here in San Juan, La Union. And this is where people actually practice pag gusto mong matuto ng surfing. Merong mga area doon pero malalaki ang waves nila. So, baka if beginner ka, this is a good spot. And kung tinatanong ninyo kung saan to, this is right in front of Isla Bonita. Ito yung beachfront.